Okay, so what are the top 5 fasteners that I use in the facilities maintenance space that I'd recommend you have in your maintenance shop or even as a homeowner in your garage? Here we go. So number 1 would be self-drilling screws, or called self-tappers, tech screws. They come in different sizes. You can see they have a hex head. Some are panhead Phillips. They have a built-in washer underneath the head, which is nice, great for attaching sheet metal. And they have a built-in, basically like a drill bit on the tip there. That's how they're self-tapping screws. And number 2 would be exterior deck screws. These are countersink Phillips head screws. They're coated. But you don't just have to use them on the exterior. You can use them on the interior of your building as well. Again, come in different sizes, different lengths. Nice and strong. They stand up to the weather. They have a 10-year warranty. When I was working in the residential space, I would use these to repair wooden picket fences because they hold the pickets on a lot stronger than nails and they last a lot longer. Woo! So number 3 on my list would be these threaded drywall anchors, sometimes called easy anchors. They come in metal and plastic. These ones happen to be plastic. Different sizes. This one has a 75-pound rating. They have a strong holding force. You see they're a corkscrew shape with a pointed shank. You simply push the pointed shank into the drywall, and then you gently use a screwdriver to screw them into the drywall. And then you drive your screws into this anchor, and the anchor will open up inside the drywall.
Wow.
Just a quick note, I would not recommend using these cheap plastic push-in drywall anchors. They pull out easily. They don't have a lot of holding power. And number 4 on my list would be these toggle bolts, sometimes called butterfly anchors because of their shape. Again, they come in different lengths, diameters. You can see they have the holding pound force capacity rating there on the package. And with these, you pre-drill a hole in your drywall or even in your hollow cinder block wall, and you screw on the long screw to the butterfly clip. You see how it moves? It's spring-loaded. And then you push it through the hole in the wall, and then you tighten your screw down, and you might have to hold back against the back of the screw head as you tighten it down. Inside the wall there, the butterfly clip will grab the back side of the wall and creates a nice holding force. So if you can't drive your screw into a stud in the wall, this is another great option. Has a strong holding force. And number 5, concrete anchors. These blue ones are called tapcons. Make sure you use the correct size hammer drill bit to install concrete anchors. They come in different sizes and lengths. There's also these wedge anchors. They work great as well when you're installing something to a concrete surface. What are some other anchors you would recommend folks try? Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.